After a long wait, South Jaipur Dakshinpara in the capital will soon have temples for Lord Shiva, Goddess Kali and Lord Shani. Two sons of the late Narendra Chandra Das, Bimal Das and Shemal Das donated land for the temple's construction. Today the foundation worship ceremony was held. Residents of South Jaipur Dakshinpara had long awaited a temple for Lord Shiva and Goddess Kali. In the absence of such temples, locals had to travel far to offer prayers. To fulfill this need, Bimal Das and Shemal Das, sons of the late Narendra Chandra Das, donated land for building the temples. The land worship ceremony was held on 23rd of July 2022 in the presence of Shanti Kali Ashram's Revered Chitra Maharaj. On Monday, the foundation worship ceremony took place. Presenter Bimal Das, Shemal Das and the family members. The event brought joy and excitement among the locals. The priest explained that every land has certain defects which are purified through rituals. With the foundation worship, the land has been sanctified for constructing temples for Lord Shiva, Goddess Kali and Lord Shani.
এখন আমি আইছি দক্ষিণ জয়পুর শ্যামল দাসের বাড়িতে। শ্যামল দাসের বাড়িতে ওই শ্যামল দাসে একটা জায়গা দান করছিল, একটা মন্দির টাস্কা প্রণালী দেওয়া হয়েছে। যার গুরুত্ব হয়েছে প্রত্যেক ভূমিতে একটা দোষ থাকে, বাস্তু দোষ। বাস্তু দোষটা কাটানোর জন্য একটা ভূমি পূজা করা হয়। এই ভূমি পূজার মাধ্যমে বাস্তু জায়গাটা শুদ্ধ হয় আর কি। হ্যাঁ, শুদ্ধিকরণ এটা হচ্ছে শিব শনি কালী।
The Hindu community in the area expressed happiness as foundation worship was done for temples of Shiva, Kali and Shani together. Bureau Report, Fact Finder.